Hey guys, it's your girl Damo here. I'm back to bring you guys another video, and my apologies for being gone so long, but I missed you guys and I'm back in action. So without further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below as always so you can stay up to date with all my videos, okay? But let's get right into this video. So this unboxing, this was the Nike collab with Stranger Things. If you watch the show on HBO, let me know down in the comments. I started watching the show a while ago and I kind of like fell off, but you know, I'm gonna get back into it. I was up to like episode 8. These are the Nike Air Tailwinds. These, I believe these were the quick strikes. I got them in a size 6 men's, and that would be a 7.5 women. Here's the tag. So let's get into all the goodness that this box contains. Here's my receipt. I'll show you guys the inside of the box. It says Nike Stranger Things. This is super. I love, when I tell you, I just love the tissue paper in this sneaker. Like, it's actually a newspaper cutout, printout from July 4th. Also comes with the regular tissue paper, so you know, you get a little extra something in your sneaker box. Okay, what the Nike Tailwinds look like. I love these sneakers. These sneakers give me like bell bottoms and like striped shirt vibes. Like, you know, this is back in the day vibes. With me, it's a oh my god sneaker. I just love the way this green is popping. This green is so fire. It reminds me of my my Nike SB Blazers, the Lebanons. If you know, I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen, but these remind me of those so much. I have them and I wore them Blazers to the heart. Like, I love that pop of green. It was just so pretty to me. So once I saw these, I was like, these are a must. The green is super dope, and I love the orange swoosh, and it has a little gray outline. If you can see it, the swoosh has that gray outline. And then you have the Hawkins High School emblem on the back of the sneaker, the Stranger Things, the Nike Stranger Things on the tongue. This is cute. All black bottoms. I hope these are super comfortable. I love the bottoms. I love that, like, it kind of reminds me of like Mario. Like, I don't know why, but the bottoms remind me of Mario. So on the bottoms it says Beavertown, USA 97005 right there. And then when we get into the sneaker, there's a tissue paper. It has Tiger's Pride. It has the Nike Stranger Things in it. Right there. I love these sneakers. Like, as I said before, these sneakers, they're not for everybody. Like, of course, every sneaker is not for everybody. But if you like that kind of throwback feel, these give me a throwback feel. I love that I was able to score these for retail price to have them in my collection. These are super cool. Like, I just love everything about these. They're so low-key, but they're so popping. Like, they're low-key, but they still pop. Like, so again, these are the Nike Tailwinds, the Stranger Things collab. And this is what they look like. Oh, and before I forget, also in the box, you get pins. Oh, I'm gonna add these to my my denim jacket that I have my little Yeezy pin on. So there's 3 pins that come. You got the Nike Stranger Things pin. The other one says Scoops Ahoy Ice Cream Parlor, and then you have the Hawkins Phys Ed 1985 pin. That's super dope for Nike to, you know, throw this in. It gives it a real, you know, authentic touch, and it's just, you know, something, a little bonus just to remind you that it was a special collab. As always, thank you guys for rocking with me. I really do appreciate all of you guys who thumbs up my video, who thumbs down my video, who takes the time out to leave comments on my video. Like, I really appreciate you. Like, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like, thank you, for real, for real. I really fucks with you. So until my next video, as always, you guys, peace out.